All right, Brock, we're coming across a lot of scenarios right now around owners that aren't quite understanding what it's doing to their asset in terms of how much it's worth by keeping these undervalued leases in place. So can you walk us through kind of what you're experiencing, like what's the average building size on this stuff, how much are we finding people that are undervalued, and then what's that doing to their valuation as a result?
Well, we're talking to a lot of owners recently, building owners in Macomb County, who are significantly under market value for their leases right now. A lot of these owners really don't even know what fair market value is, and every building is different depending on whether you have cranes, machines, the power, parking, roof. There's a lot of criteria that goes into it. However, what I'm finding is tons of these owners are way under fair market value for lease rates right now. Some of them are looking to exit in the next year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever it may be. Leases are coming to an end. It's costing them, they're leaving hundreds of thousands, in some cases millions of dollars on the table, just because they're not sure where fair market rent is. They might be $1 or $2 under, and that's creating a huge gap in price.
So let's say it's $2, right? Someone's like, well, Brock, I'm only, it's $11 market, I'm at 9, like it's $2, Brock, right? But if you take that $2 and let's just say the building's 15,000 square feet, that's $30,000 on an annual basis. And then, let's just use a somewhat safe assumption around cap rate at 7 cap, right? We take that 30, that's $210,000 difference on an exit if they were to get out of that building.
Yep.
By choosing to allow that, one, they're costing themselves that $30,000 annually just in cash flow. So if they have, say, 2 years left on their lease, you're costing yourself $60,000. And what did you need to do for that $60,000? No improvements, no anything, right?
No.
So it's just $60,000 just sitting there being lit on fire. And then in addition to that, when you consider a 7 cap rate, they're leaving $210,000 on the building itself.
Yep.
In terms of their value, right?
So it's just simple things, and that's why we like to educate our owners and our investors that we work with. We're not just commercial brokers. We want to be, financial advisors as well, and give you, the best advice possible based on what's going on in the market.
Yeah.
So it's just a matter of educating. Some of these owners don't know. Hey, Brock, what is fair market value right now for my building? I don't even know. And then I do a little bit of digging and I find out, man, this guy can almost double his rent right now. And that just created, $400,000 in value on the building itself.
Let alone cash flow.
Yeah,
right? So,
whether you're looking to sell or not, I think it's a great opportunity right now with this ever-changing market to get a valuation, see where you're at on rents. I know it's a difficult conversation for some people to have with some of these tenants, their friends, family, and that's where that's where we come in. And we can look at it, and we can have that conversation for you, and definitely create a lot of opportunity.
Yeah, couldn't agree more. Well, if you have any questions on what your building's worth or are your leases to market value or any of those things, go ahead and reach out. We'd love to look at it free for you and just give you our opinion, and we'll go from there. Appreciate it. Thank you.